Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's video, I'll be talking about two best micellar water that is currently available in India. One which was launched 2 years back and the other one is launched some 3 to 4 months back in India. So I'll be comparing two of these. So before I head towards today's video, if you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Shrija and welcome to my channel. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe. While you subscribe, please do click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload my video. With that, let's head towards today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about these two micellar water. One is Garnier Micellar Water. I've already done a video on it. If you have not seen, please click here or please check the description box. And the new one which is launched like 3 to 4 months back in India, that is Pond's Vitamin Micellar Water. Now I'm going to compare both these because micellar water is really important. First of all, let me tell you what does this micellar water do. So micellar water actually helps to remove makeup very easily in just 1 or 2 go. It's very easy to remove makeup with it and it's really good for skin. Now let me tell you that both these products are available like almost in all the supermarkets, fancy stores, even online like Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart. You can easily buy them from online. Let me talk about Pond's first because as this is newly introduced. Now this comes in 3 variants. This one is the rose one, which is with the pink cap. Other one is with the green cap that has aloe vera in it. And the third one has black cap or a grey cap, I'm not sure, grey or black cap that has charcoal in it. This particular one, the Garnier one, this has 2 variants. This one, pink one, which is the cleansing water, micellar cleansing water. Other one is yellow color bottle, which is oil infused cleansing water. Now in Garnier, this particular one can be used for everyday use and the yellow one is used for stubborn makeup. Now coming to the pricing part, this is 105 ml and this costs 125 rupees. This is 125 ml and this costs about 175 rupees. And it also comes in 250 ml which is about 299 rupees. And this comes in 2 variants again, like I said, 125 ml for 175 rupees and 400 ml for 399 rupees. Both the bottles are travel friendly. It's plastic bottles. Both these are travel friendly. It's easy to carry them. Talking about the fragrance, when you smell the Pond's one, this is full of rose. And when you smell this one, there's absolutely no fragrance at all. There's no fragrance at all. Now, talking about the ingredients. Now, this one, the Pond's one, is infused with vitamins. It has 5 types of vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which is like really good for skin. And it also says that it has absolutely no alcohol. So that is really good. This also has organic fresh roses in it. And now we are going to test both this. So I have applied makeup, as you can see, applied eyeshadow and I have lipstick. So first I'm going to try Garnier. Let's test this and I'm going to tell you which one is better among the two. So I'm going to take some of this onto the cotton pad. First we'll test this on the eyes. Quite good now. Yeah, it's quite good. I'm going to take Pond's micellar water here. Okay, now when you compare, Garnier was able to remove almost the entire eyeshadow in this one go. But with the Pond's micellar water, some amount of eyeshadow is still left there. So I'm just going to clean it once more. Now let's see the lips because first I'm going to apply, I have applied lipstick but I feel it's not very dark. This is from My Glam what I have applied. I'm going to apply Huda Beauty out here because this is really good and matte and very dark and all. So I'm going to be applying this shade Heartbreak. Yeah, Heartbreak. As you can see, I have applied Huda Beauty Heartbreak lipstick out here. So first, I'll be trying the Pond's Micellar Water. I'm going to take some onto this cotton pad. I've taken good amount of Pond's Micellar Water in this cotton pad. Now let's try this. No, I'm not very happy. It cleans, but it takes a lot of time. Not very happy with the result. I'm going to apply this lipstick again. I've taken this fresh cotton pad and I'll be putting this Garnier Micellar Water onto this. Let's see. Garnier Micellar Water is way better than Pond's Micellar Water. Just one or two go, it's very easy to remove makeup with Garnier Micellar Water, whereas with Pond's, it's good. It does remove, but it does take time to remove. You can see, I've shown you. I have, it's not like Garnier is my favorite or Pond's is my favorite. Whatever products is good is what I want to show out here. Both the products are good. I would just say this does its work in much better way. You don't need to do any kind of harsh rubbing with this, whereas with this you will require a little bit of harsh rubbing to remove the makeup. I would definitely say this product wins over this for sure. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you want me to review any other products, then comment below and let me know. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, then please give this video a big thumbs up. That will mean a lot to me. And also do share this video with your family and friends. Before you go, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all soon with my next video. Till then, bye.